How to change indicator settings in TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize these settings. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this chart option. Tap on chart. So this is the chart available. Here, you can see the settings icon on the corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find the option called more settings. Tap on more settings. So in this indicators and financial settings, here you'll be able to customize name, value, line, and you'll also be able to customize the colors. So select the colors and select the names here. So there are different drop down buttons. You can customize it however you want. At last, here on the bottom you can see this OK button. Tap on OK, and if you go back, it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.